Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what we have seen, silver was moving in this particular zone, and once this zone break upside, okay, we have seen it was moving in this particular zone. Okay, after that what we have seen, down and breaking this particular zone and made a low of around 17.5, and from this particular level now trading at around $20.570. Okay, now what we can see looking at this particular chart, if the price sustain above a level of 20.8, then is a probability that it can cross above a level of $21.2. If it goes below a level of around 18.2, then we can see it can move further down. That the price of silver is moving in an uptrend. Okay, now before we move forward, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work in silver, and a commodity and a telegram link also I've given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, now look at the chart. If you look at this particular chart, what we have seen that if the price sustain this particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of $20.97, which is a weak resistance. So probability is very high that we can see it can touch a level of $21.24. Okay, and once the price goes above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of $21.650, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of $22.3. Okay, keep this in mind. If the price sustain above this level, then there is a higher probability of moving further upside, because all these levels are being already tested here, so probability will be very high. If the price goes above a level of 21.650, then we can see it can go and touch a level of $22.4, and this particular level $22.4 is again a resistance which is already a weak resistance, so probability will be very high. We can see it can go towards a level of 22.8, and from there we can see it can touch a level of $23.414. Okay, now as you know that the market is uncertain and there is so much of volatility as we have seen here. Suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, what we can see, if it breaks this particular zone, then we can see it can come down again towards further down, okay, and can break this particular zone. So what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, then we can see it can fall further low towards a level of around $20.190. okay, and if the price fall below this particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of $19.9. and if the price didn't sustain this particular level also, then there is a higher probability that we can see it can touch a level of $19.48, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of $18.9. keep this in mind. If the price comes below a level of 18.9, then we can see a trend for silver again will move towards further down, and a probability of touching 18.3 will be there, which is again a resistance which is already a weak support, which is again a support which is already a weak support. So probability is high, we can see it can move further low, and a probability of touching 17.5 will be there, and we can see it can go further down. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I have given the mail ID in the description. Okay, and understand something, most of the people lose money in trading, so you have to be careful when you trade. Okay, a few of the things that I teach in my workshop, that suppose if you are trading with, you should set a limit for your particular loss for a day as well as for a particular trade, so you should not be wiping out your capital. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.